Hyundai Ioniq 9 2025 that goes to Immobiliser. So I'm going to show you the features of how it works. So if we try and start the car, it comes on, but we cannot turn the steering wheel. The engine is currently off as well, doesn't say ready. I'm going to input the password. For a demonstration, we've put the button to the up arrow 4 times. I'll get my 2 confirmation beeps. You also get the flash through the center of your dash. Now we can obviously put our foot on the brake and start the vehicle. As you can see, it says ready. Steering wheel now goes light, allows us to drive the car. If at any point we want to change the password, we switch the vehicle off. We're going to start the vehicle back up again, no engine. We're going to input our password. You get your 2 beeps and your 2 flashes. We're now going to hold our headlights towards us, and we're going to input the same code. So I'm going to hold the headlights in, and then we're going to put the code again. So I'll do that now. As you will see, the flash will appear up on the dash. We can now release from the headlight stalk, and it will continue flashing and beeping, ready for its new password. For demonstration, we're going to now change it downwards. So once you go down, it enters its password for you. 3 confirmation flashes and 3 beeps. We're going to do the same password again. 2 confirmation flashes and 2 beeps as acknowledgement of success. That's it. That's now your new password. So we'll switch the car off, and that is it. So we're simply going to try it. Start our engine. We get nothing. Put our new password. We get the 2 beeps and flashes. We can now put our foot on the brake, start the car, allows us to drive. Now for servicing mode, you must switch your vehicle on, put your current password, ready to drive. Once you're at the garage, all you do is the traction control button 5 times. It's now going to beep 5 times. That is now in service mode. So if I switch the vehicle off, whereas previously you wouldn't be able to start the engine until you put the password, now you can start your car as normal, as if there was nothing on there. There you go. So all to do is, when you're collecting the vehicle, we must input our password. So you start the car up, you put your password back in. In this instance, it's downwards 4 times. We get the 2 beeps as confirmation and 2 flashes. That has now reactivated the Ghost back onto the system for you. Now that's a demonstration on how the Ghost works and how it's operating. If you want any questions, any queries, give us a call. 0208 554 554.